have made over $500 and I earned 284 of that in October. So this video is to show you how you can make similar money using Fiverr. If you're interested in this, keep watching till the end. Before we get into the details of the video, I want to mention that if you're interested in learning more about Fiverr, as in the checklist, comment Fiverr checklist in the comment section and you'll be automatically entered for a chance to win this Fiverr success checklist. And if you're also interested in learning more about Fiverr, I have a course right here that shows you step by step how to create an account, from creating an account to becoming featured on Fiverr to getting 5-star ratings. Everything is included in this course, which I highly recommend. Now that we've gotten that out of the way, let me show you how you can make money with Fiverr. So as you know, right now AI is booming, and so are the services on Fiverr. So on Fiverr's homepage, it even says here that the popular services are AI artists. That's the first one. So I just opened up another tab here and to look at the services that Fiverr is recommending people should give. The first one I see here is AI development. So if you can develop AI like chatbot, things like that, you have chatbots, ChatGPT applications, if you can, even websites and apps, if you can do all of this, you're in high demand right now. If you can train data model training, you're in high demand. Content, AI content editing, writing of prompts and all of that, you're also in high demand. Generative AI, right here is where I want to focus on. If you are an AI artist, right here, I'm going to focus on AI artists because that's the easiest way to make money right now, because AI is just going to generate an art for you and you can go ahead and sell it on Fiverr. So when you click AI artist, here are the gigs that are available. As you can see, Fiverr's choice right now says I will create quick custom AI art using Midjourney. So this person has specified that I'm using Midjourney. This other person too is using Midjourney. So look at this, guys, 428 ratings. So let's just quickly multiply that 428 times 30. Let me whip up my calculator. 428 times 30. So approximately this person already made more than $12,000 just from generating images using Midjourney, guys. This is absolutely crazy. So as you can see, it's very easy to make money with Fiverr, and this is just one of them, guys. There are several AI art websites. Midjourney is just one of them, and you don't even have to stress about it. I just want to learn more about this. Look at this, guys. 5 others are in queue and people keep coming back. This person has an exceptional number of buyers. So I highly recommend you starting with something easy like AI art, because that is something that AI in general is something that people are researching for right now. And the fact that you can create art very easily with Midjourney or any other website for a fraction of the time, it's amazing. So I highly recommend this. And look at this, high quality images, guys, can be created very easily and you sell it. And this is even the basic price. So the person's premium price is $150, guys, up to 7 images. So I have a checklist right here. If you're interested in getting started with Fiverr, I recommend this checklist. It's over 5 pages long and it will give you step by step how to optimize for Fiverr. I also have a course that I recommend you take, and it gives you detailed step by step how to get started with Fiverr. So for the checklist, just comment Fiverr's checklist in the comment section and you'll be automatically entered to win this Fiverr success checklist, and I'm going to announce the winner in my next video. So Fiverr and how to make money with Fiverr, I highly recommend you check out my course. It gives you step by step how to create an account, how to get 5-star ratings, how to get traffic to your profile. So everything is included in this course, which I highly recommend. So this is my profile. I started about 3 months ago. So I'm going to be sharing my journey on Fiverr and how to make money with Fiverr. So I can show you what, like, your expectations when it comes to making money with it. So I'm just going to quickly scroll down so you can see exactly how I'm doing right now. So right here is the overview. As you can see, on October 5th, right here, I made 16 sales, and this is my highest sales so far, guys. I did I think $73 in sales. So here is the overview of my month of October, how I did and how many sales I had. So month of October, which today is 31st of October. So the whole of this month, I had 28 orders and I completed 17, and I made $200. So if I scroll down a little bit, 8 of them are still in progress. I've delivered 4, and my customer offers us 13. If you scroll down a little bit again, you see everything here is 100 and is in green. That shows that it's good. If I scroll down a little bit here again, my ratings, I have over 25 ratings, and just 58% of people rated. That means I had more orders than people left ratings for. So it's basically the United States and Canada, and yeah, United States, Canada, that I get most of my sales from. Some sales also come from China and Sweden. So, oh, someone just left me a 5-star review. So you see, guys, this is really working, and I recommend it for you to start. It's very easy as outlined in my course, and that's it, guys. So if you want to learn about my journey, about how I'm making money with Fiverr, I'm going to be updating you as time goes on. This is my month 3, and this is so far how much I've done. In the future, I'm going to make more gigs, and I'm going to show you how I'm doing. So if you want to follow my journey, I recommend that you subscribe to my channel, turn on the bell notification, and hit the like button, and I'll be updating you as time goes on. See you on the next one.